Dogecoin to hit $4 as Elon Musk says, Doge has real potential. American billionaire Elon Musk's statement Saturday caused a stir across the broader crypto market. Dogecoin saw a spike in bullish sentiment as Musk said, starting to feel like the Doge has real potential in the Department of Government Efficiency, D.O.G.E. However, the Doge price continues to move sideways after it rallied more than 200% in a month. Elon Musk sparks Dogecoin optimism with D.O.G.E. post. In an official X post on 16 November, Elon Musk sparked substantial market discussions with his optimistic sentiment for the Department of Government Efficiency. Notably, following the Tesla and SpaceX-led's appointment as the head of the mentioned government department alongside V. Ramaswamy, this statement did not come as a surprise to the nationwide masses. The Department of Government Efficiency stands to bring a major reform in the United States government, per the body's X handle. Meanwhile, it's noteworthy that Musk's appointment as the entity's head comes in the aftermath of the re-election of Republican Donald Trump as the 47th president of the US. Overall, the announcement gained significant traction across the industry as Musk has previously strongly advocated Dogecoin, bringing attention to the government department named after it. In turn, the top dog-themed meme coin garnered significant attention in light of the statement, followed by another unprecedented optimistic development. The Dogecoin lawsuit against Elon Musk was recently withdrawn by investors, adding to market optimism on the meme token. For context, the lawsuit alleged that the Tesla and SpaceX lead manipulated the meme coin's price for personal gains. Nevertheless, with the odds tilting in favor of the billionaire, recent developments weigh considerable optimism on the meme token's price movements. Doge price jumps. Doge price witnessed gains worth 2% in the past 24 hours and is now trading at $0.3788. The coin's 24-hour low and high was $0.3545 and $0.3899, respectively. Intriguingly, the coin's rising movement amid Musk's statements has sparked substantial investor curiosity. Moreover, weekly gains for the token totaled 80%, underscoring a bull run. Simultaneously, CoinGlass data showed that the coin's futures OI soared 11% intraday to reach $3.02 billion. It signals increased investor interest in the Dogecoin amid a bullish crypto market. Overall, market watchers continue to extensively eye the token, anticipating future gains. Moreover, popular crypto market expert Ali Martinez predicted Dogecoin price can hit $4. The bold forecast came on historical trends and bullish momentum in the crypto market triggered by Donald Trump and Musk. However, market watchers remain on their toes as the coin's price currently consolidates. Nevertheless, massive Doge whale buying amid this period has added a bullish tint to future movements. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.